Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up fingerprints on your Samsung Galaxy S10e. Let's get started. As a first step, you need to make sure that you have set any type of lock screen on your phone. Now we can continue. Open Settings on your phone and then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Biometrics and Security. Click on it and here it goes to this tab named Fingerprints. Then we would need to enter our current PIN code and click button Next. Here, as you can see, you can read this description, but we need to click on this blue button Continue. Then we would need to put our finger on the scanner which is located on the right side of your phone, on the power button. Put your finger on the scanner and then remove it after you'll feel a little vibration. And then you will need to slightly change the position of your finger so the scanner can scan your finger fully. And you will need to do it until this percentage will reach 100. And as you can see, I have successfully scanned my fingerprint. Now we click Done. And we will be in this menu which is named Fingerprints. Here you can see your fingerprint scan as a fingerprint number 1. That's because you are able to add on one phone up to 4 fingerprints. It can be 4 different persons or your 4 different fingers. So we can rename it by clicking on it and entering our name. For example, I will type in Emily and click Save. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.